Office management. Introduction. Office management is an integral part of general management. It refers to the process of planning, organizing, guiding, communicating, directing, coordinating, and controlling the activities of a group of people who are working to achieve business objectives effectively and economically. Now, elements of office management. Elements of office management are termed as pillars of building. If pillar is strong, certainly the building is also strong. Hence, efficient functioning of office management is based on the elements of office management. Essential elements of office management. Personnel. Office personnel are actually performing the office work. Generally, the selection and placement of office personnel is carried on by the office manager in a small organization. In large organization, staffing is carried on by the human resource management department. Means refers to tools used to perform the office work. Means include pen, pencil, eraser, paper, ink, office forms, typewriter, computer, printer, calculator, and the like. Adequate tools have been supplied in an office and put them to the most efficient and economical use for achieving objectives. Environment. The nature of business determines the environment of an office. The various office works have to be carried on under a particular condition or environment. A working environment is created and maintained for the smooth performance of office or office work. It is the duty and responsibility of an office manager to bring suitable environment by adopting various procedures and practice. Purpose. The office personnel must be aware of the purpose for which a particular work is carried on and the impact of such work on others' performance. The office manager teaches the purpose to office personnel. If not so, the performance of office work does not bring the most efficient and economical use of office resources and achieve the objectives. Planning. Planning is the first step in the process as well as the first step in office management. It is the creation of a well-defined course for future actions and lays out what people within the office need to do. It creates steps or methods for people to follow to ensure consistency and improve productivity. Now, staffing. Staffing is a function of management, so in this context, it is about selection, recruitment, compensation, and training of staff. It can also include areas such as promotion and retirement of staff, and managers to ensure the right balance of staff is maintained. Now, directing. Creating plans is one thing, but you need to implement them, and that means directing staff in what is required of them. This involves training as well as continued guidance to ensure that processes are understood and followed. It can also cover any systems in place to handle people who don't follow the processes. Now, communicating. In order to direct people to follow processes laid out in the plan, communicating with staff is key. It is about building good human relations and understanding what staff need to, therefore enable them to follow the office management plan. Clarity, integrity, and the strategic use of information organization are three key points that should be mastered within this skill. Motivating. Motivating staff is definitely the hardest role of the office manager. There is self-motivation and external motivation, and these both need to be used to achieve aims and goals. Keeping morale high while maintaining discipline is important, and setting examples of subordinates should also be done leading by example. Now, conclusion. These major functions of office managers show that it is about more than simply getting the office to run smoothly. The aim to have a plan ensure it is applied to consistently and to offer support to staff to help them do this. Now, front office management. A front office receptionist is often the first face visitors to your offices see. They are largely responsible for the first impression people have about its company. The demeanor of a front office receptionist is vital to company operations, and the receptionist's level of courtesy can have far-reaching consequences. Proper training for this role is essential. as well as clearly outlining what is expected of the employee throughout her workday.